So I welcome you back on my page. Now I'm going to be taking you through on how you can briefly come up with an offline publicated document. Specifically, we are going to do a certificate of appreciation using Microsoft Office Publisher. As I took through you the procedures for launching, everything is going to be just easy. Just keep on and watch. Now we are to move on our location. Now I'm on my desktop here, so I launch my publisher, the program I am to interact with in order to come up with my certified document. Let me give it a file name of certificate. Certificate 1. Then I enter it. So when I enter, that's the interface it is giving me. In order to come up with a properly organized offline publicated document, you must first of all bear in mind the dimensions of what you are going to do, or what you are dealing with. So here we are going to be dealing with a certificate, and for me, I propose we do a certificate of size A4 and orientation landscape. So what you do, you come to page design and select orientation, you put in landscape, the size, the page size, and put in A4 landscape. So those are the actual dimensions of the certificate we attribute this afternoon. Now we are to insert in the appropriate information. We're going to be dealing with the graphics art, as we're going to be seeing. First of all, you have to put in a text box in which you're going to put your information. This blue line you're seeing gives you the demarcations of where your content must fit, so that in printing it is not cut off. Okay, and I come here, you're going to start playing now with the art. The font style, let me use Old English. Text and also size, let me put in 38, and I change the alignment to center. The shortcut is Ctrl E. Then I say certificate of appreciation. Okay, yeah. So I can put this text in red. Okay, I can increase on its size. That's way too much. Okay, there. Then I come here on the first line. Let me put it in Times Roman, and I take it font color of black, and also give it a size of 30 font size. And I put in some italics. Then I say this certificate is to appreciate. Which name can I use? I do have my name being simpler when it comes to designing. I put the okay, so you can bold it. So you bold it, you can remove the italics and you underline it, and also put it in a unique font color. I've chosen blue. Okay, and what am I being appreciated for? That's where we're going. I take back my font color black, remove the underline, remove the bold, and put the italics. Okay, say in appreciation of being, for example, top graphics designer. Okay, 2026. Okay, so I continue, I put in my information, So Jingo is an intelligent young designer. Okay. Full stop, continuation. May God bless him. And so here you put in the content you are told to put, all the content you desire. It depends where the certificate is going. Okay, may God pave way for all his activity, for example. You see, then I can extend this text in the middle, and down here we are to put these signatories. For example, on the left, let us put chairman, KGB, and on the right, you use the tab key, you put it on the right and say deputy chairman. Okay, then below let's draw lines that they are going to sign on. You come to insert and move shapes. Excuse me. Then you draw the line gently, clean and nice, like that. So in order not to change the length or the dimensions or the measurements of the line, the size, you just copy it and paste with a shortcut of Ctrl C for copy and Ctrl V for paste. Okay, so you put it here. Now we are done with entering the content we desire for our document. Now the next thing is to play with the graphics art. Okay, one, I can decide to put in the background. I go to my master page. Okay, I come to master page like this, or I use the shortcut Ctrl N. Okay, simpler. So after going to master page, I come to design page. I go to the background. I come to more backgrounds, and for me, I desire textures most. Okay, when it comes to designing the things, I put in that texture. I save. Endeavor to save everything you do by using a shortcut of Ctrl S. Then I come back to my my certificate. I put in the text border. I come, you right click, let me take you back a bit. You click on the text box, right click on it, click on text box, right click on it, move to format text box, and come to border add. Okay, so you can use borders of colors, you can use border art. It depends on what you desire, but here I'm just giving you a demo so that you can go back and sit on the machine, think and come up with something more beautiful, more attractive to the eyes, and also to the customers, maybe for the graphics art designers. Okay, you come and look for the appropriate border to use. For me, I've chosen this one. It looks a bit appropriate. You can reduce on its width, the bit here. You reduce on it a bit, it depends on. So here it's making an overlap of my work. I can go back. You again right click on it and continue to reduce on its width until you see that it's appropriate for your document. Okay, it's still a bit big. I need to reduce it.